Being a comedian and coming into this group, I really hope that I'm not too, messed up for them.
We're a collective of 5 artists from across the media landscape united on a mission of body acceptance. Each episode, we'll invite a special guest to be our honorary 6th member and step out of our comfort zones to create missions that champion self-love in all shapes and sizes.
I have a great idea for our next mission. High fashion. I'm thinking high-end, clean line, chic, the things that you'd see on the runway. I mean, think about it. We never really see us really Vogue and strong.
It makes me nervous.
Why?
I mean, I know I have style and I know I have my style,
Yeah.
right? It only makes me nervous because I went to fashion school.
Okay.
I was lost.
Okay.
I have no idea what's up with fashion.
Well, that's the thing. Well, no. But that's the thing about fashion. It's personal. It's self-expression. It's creativity. It's art. It's all of these things, right? But we barely see, diverse bodies, showcased in the fashion industry. Yes, we're slowly making strides now, but there's still such a long way to go.
So you want something that's really high fashion, very runway, stay away from the commercial catalog kind of pageant look.
Exactly. Yeah. You can coordinate the outfits together and just look really chic, lean, and expensive.
That stresses me out a little bit. Just I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Where am I gonna get clothes? What are we gonna put together?
Why don't we lean towards what we were already meaning to shoot for our website, which was an all black look.
Absolutely, and I've got some really great inspiration.
Yeah.
Do you see what I'm saying? So we've got the black and white, we've got the clean background, we've got the androgynous look. We gotta recreate this to be
true.
we can also transform over to this look as well. And on top of that, guys, I'm gonna run around and do some pulling for you. I'm gonna get some samples from different designers, boutiques. I got you.
So who's gonna be our 6th?
Does everyone know who Sheena Snively is?
Yeah.
So she is really big on the media scene. She currently has a beauty blog right now with MTV. She has a huge personality. She's really big in the media. I think she'd be the perfect person to help champion this mission along.
Who's gonna shoot this?
Max.
Oh, Max! Our significant 7. It's a really good thing to come back to because after our first shoot that started it all for No Diet Day, and then, we did the Herbrits with him and whatnot, to do this kind of grown and sexy look.
I love it.
I couldn't think of anyone better. Fashion is my thing, okay? And I'm so glad they finally agreed to do this thing. This is exactly what the industry needs, what we need.
We've got Sheena Snively from MTV joining us. She's hilarious. Is she gonna like us? Am I gonna be funny enough? Is she gonna steal my shine?
Really looking forward to meeting these women. And I have to be honest, I've never met Ivory before. Feeling a little bit intimidated about this girl. You look at this girl's Instagram, she is riding horses naked, okay? So essentially I've been involved with shoots like this before, but I've always been the big goofy one. Sheen. I'm actually not the token big girl here, which is gonna be really new and interesting for me because I'm used to having my little niche.
It's fantastic. I'm still sleeping.
Good morning, everybody! Are you guys ready?
Are you ready to be a Succulent 6?
I'm a Succulent 7. I'm 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, come on in.
Okay, so how are we for progress right now? Is it safe to say, wardrobe?
Wait to see what I brought for you guys.
Okay.
So, come here, girl.
Yes!
Girl, I went glitter, I went sparkle.
Oh, I love you.
So, I picked from 2 local boutiques.
Coming into this fashion thing, I'm looking to these women also to give me a little bit of advice because, they're the pros. They've got this down pat.
Work. Okay. Isn't it amazing?
Oh my God.
Guys, we have to take photos. We need to stop trying on the clothes. We need to actually put on the clothes.
So are you feeling any of the looks that we pulled out today?
I'm the worst person to ask this. I am not fashionable.
Cloud shorts, dude. Cloud shorts, come on. Thunder and lightning, calm down, rain.
on parade.
Now I feel bad about my cat. I felt good before that moment happened. We have a really, really good working relationship. And I am never not happy to be on set with them. And it doesn't feel like a job when they're involved.
Brain is about to explode.
That's what I asked. Are you gonna?
It's gonna come out through my head.
I didn't even know that.
Okay, wait, no, like, just give me a little more in the ribs. Oh.
I come across as a really big tomboy, so to get dolled up feels really good.
All right, let's do a couple test walks.
But like, are we walking towards you?
Yes, but like 1 foot does not move. Yeah. And I will keep taking your photo if you step on one another and I'll go down like dominoes.
Got it.
Okay. You thought we were friends. It's not true. All right, back and forth and back and forth.
This feels silly. Even Ash is
It's all right, you can laugh. Laughing is totally acceptable. 1, 2, 3. Oops. And then curtsy walk.
Okay, so these women, they know how to walk, okay? A lot of these women are plus size models. They model, they blog, they do all kinds of things, and they're showing me how to strut my stuff.
Go for a walk using your arms for a second, and then bring your badness to it.
Would you feel more comfortable if I gave you a 1, 2, 3 and then you took 2 steps?
Yes!
1, 2, 3.
I don't understand.
The fun one about this one versus some of the other stuff we've done is that it is super regal, which I think that's actually more close to their personalities than some of the other stuff we've done. That was way sassier, guys.
Right?
It takes a bold, loud personality to jump into our group of 5. I feel like she jumped in full force and had no problems.
Like this, you mean? The photo shoot with these women was absolutely amazing. They just brought me into their little plus size loveliness group of women, and I just felt so welcome.
Finally, it was amazing. Everybody came together. They brought the vision, the fire, the fierce, the fashion. What we're gonna do here is set the standard. I want these pictures to go viral because, designers and other fashion houses and bigger brands need to see that we can be shot this way. We should be shot this way. Now it just looks like it's Real Wives, but you're all Ivory's wife.
It's all I ever wanted. I've always all I want.
She low-key got us all into this.
It's literally all I wanted. Actually,
This whole thing was for this photo. It's just here are my wives.
Sorry.
Ivory's dreams are coming
That's why she
true.
wants to. I'm so happy right now.